Hello, my name is Karen Hughes. In this module, we're going to discuss how you can create a report in multiple formats in the BMC TrueSight Capacity Optimization solution as part of the BMC TrueSight Capacity Optimization how-to video series. When you're creating a report, you can create a basic report, a composite report, or an advanced report, all of which can be created from the new report wizard. When you're creating these reports, you can leverage over 50 out-of-the-box templates that we have that in essence help you with either customizing the layout or the content of that report. Then these reports can be scheduled on demand and by exception. But the key here is you can generate many different formats of the report, meaning it can be a PDF, an HTML file, a doc, a CSV, Excel, or PowerPoint. So I'm going to show you how you can actually do that in the solution. Just something to note is if you're leveraging the wizard, you'll actually be able to check the boxes for the actual formats. At the same time, you could also edit a report to add additional types. So let's take a look at how we can accomplish this in BMC TrueSight Capacity Optimization. Okay, so we're going to log on to the solution, navigate to the workspace, go to a domain that we want to store our report, and we go to Works, and we'll say Add Report. At this point, the wizard's going to appear, and you get to choose what kind of report, and perhaps we want an advanced report, and you click on Next. Then it's going to ask you what kind of report do you want to create, which we can just select, it doesn't matter what kind. And finally, it comes to this screen, which is the screen we want. Here it shows what formats do you want to export the report to be. So like I mentioned, there are, 6 different formats, and if you unselect them, the only ones that are checked are going to be the format that it actually gets created. If you don't click any of them, then by default it's going to create a format of all of them. So choose the ones you want, and then click on Next, and eventually finish the wizard, and then you're going to have your report generated, and when you run it for the first time, it's going to show you the results with the formats that we chose. Okay, now that it's complete, you can see that the 3 choices that I created are actually here in the results. But like I said, if you wanted, you could also modify it from one that's created. So perhaps I really wanted a PDF or something else. I simply have the report selected, click on Edit, and then the wizard's going to appear, and if I scroll down to Export Formats, again, I could choose the report types that I want and click on Save. I will have to rerun the report again in order for it to get generated. Now you'll notice here it says that I can't generate the report, and that's because I probably said don't overwrite. So if I quickly edit it and come down here and it says if a result exists, skip or overwrite, I want to make sure I select the overwrite button so that way I can regenerate the same report with the same data but generate additional results. So then when you click on Run Report now, you'll see that all the different formats have been created or generated because I had selected the checkbox for each of them. And that's how easy it is to create a chart in multiple formats that you then can leverage and use to publish or view. And that concludes this module in the BMC TrueSight Capacity Optimization how-to video series. I want to thank you for your time and look forward to you listening to other how-to videos as part of the series in the future. Thanks and have a great day.